Hey Misfits, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. For this look, I'm doing a creepy doll look. Prior to this look, I did a regular doll look, as you can see here. I'll make sure to drop that link below if you're interested in watching. And here I'm just outlining the opening of the doll where the stuffing will be coming out. The products I'm using to create this is Graftobian. This is in Raven Black in the Pro Paints. And I'm also using a pencil brush. So all these openings, like this one I'm creating, is gonna have stitching going across it. And there's one thing I wanted to show you in particular where I'm getting in between my lips. So right here, I'm just putting this in between my lips, closing it and pulling it out instead of drawing over it. And here I'm creating another opening. So going in with my Naked 2 palette with that taupey shade, I use this shade a lot for shadows on particularly my skin tone because it looks more realistic because of the cool tone, and it's much more better than a gray sort of color. And I am just lining the shadow around that opening, and I'll soon be blending it out. So taking that same Pro Paint, I'm also taking a flat brush. It has more of a rounded tip though, and I'm just twirling it around and making sure I don't cover up the shadow that I just applied. I'm just putting it right in the center of it. Taking my Krylon paint in Clown White and a very detailed brush, I am honestly, I'm not sure how to explain this, but I want to create more dimension. So I'm just adding that in and just making little crescent moon shapes. And then I'm taking, I'm not sure what that is. It's not yarn. Please drop a comment if you know what this is. It's from my Christmas packaging stuff. This is what I used to package, and yeah, just anything you could find. So I took that with eyelash glue and just cut it. I was obviously so excited about this part, so I took eyelash glue, twirl it around, got my cotton, and make sure to spread it out a little bit. Then place it in your opening and kind of just play around with it, see what looks more realistic. So how I'm going to place the stitching is I'm going to make it like across each other, like a shoelace, and then one that's going to go straight across, and then across again and straight across, just that kind of pattern. And I probably should have said this at the beginning of the video, but this part is very, very, very time consuming. This probably took longer than anything else that I did prior to this, so yeah, just a heads up, it's very time consuming, things will fall off. I had to really record and take pictures really quickly, but yeah, it was pretty much worth it though. Now very carefully, I'm just putting this around my eye. I'm not even putting it on my eyelids. Be very, very careful, you guys. I'm just putting it really on the outside and placing the cotton right on top. Kind of play with it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, there'll be more Halloween looks coming up. Stay tuned for that. And I'll see you at the next video.